So let's learn how to create a collab on YouTube. So we are going to collab on others' shorts. So let's do it. So once you're on home screen, click on the YouTube icon, get into the YouTube and click on the remix. And once you click on the remix, you can click on collab. And then this is how it starts, and you can adjust. So whichever part of the shorts you want to make use of, you can make use of it. And once you click and select the portion, it will process, and then you can click on the red button, and you can start doing your shorts. So once you're done with the shorts, you will get to see the output. Let me show you the output. So this is how I just tried to collab with another short, and then the output. Let's look at the output. So this is how the output is. Hope you liked this tutorial and it was more informative, I believe. So do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.